Hi my friends, this is Dolly here, and listening to all your problems for the past 15 years or more maybe, I have come up with a product which is the new dcoat. The new dcoat is the new generation petticoat. I'm replacing the petticoat because the petticoat was flared, the petticoat had stitch in between, the petticoat didn't have a stretch fabric, the petticoat didn't allow you a lot of freedom wherein you can sit and do yoga with that thing, with the petticoat. This dcoat you can actually run, jump, climb stairs, do the cleaning, do yoga, cycling. I'm not swimming, huh? All of a sudden a party comes up, you don't know what to do, you go and hunt for your in your sister's wardrobe and you find something like this. It's beautiful but doesn't fit you. You're not going to sit, you're not going to run to a tailor to get it altered, because once you get it cut, you'll not be able to stitch it back. Where does dcoat come in here? The dcoat gives you a solution instantly, then and there. You want to wear your sister's skirt, you want to wear your mother's lehenga, immediately I give you a solution. The dcoat is the solution. So what you need to do is, this is the length, you can very well see. Just take this and you fold this inside. And that's it. The length is hers now. You don't have to do anything. There is no extra bulges, there is nothing that you need to cut, stitch, no tailoring to be required. Now the can that we've given here, I really know the kind of pain my brides have been facing during their weddings, their events, with those harsh, very starchy can. So the kind of can we've used is very, very soft. I mean, if you can see, it's beautiful and it's very, very soft can. I mean, so soft that I can rub my face with this. It's so soft. So because why I have used this, because I know the kind of problem that my brides have been facing when they use those harsh can. I mean, sitting for longer hours really gave them bruises near their leg, on their knee. So I think this is a fabric which is nice, soft, silk, and will make you feel very comfortable. So I think this dcoat is very, very apt for you, because I'm going to show you how you can drape a sari on this and look as pretty as a princess. So what you saw last was the flow dcoat with a crop top. Very, very apt for your retro party, for any party in fact, where you want to look very modern with a crop top and a nice flowy, full flowy, a skirt. And I had also shared how you can just manage the length by just inserting the whole thing inside, where you want to wear heels and you don't want to wear heels. Now let me share with you how this flowy skirt can also be very, very useful when you want to wear a sari on it. So the drape starts like this. What you need to do is take one broad pleat and just tuck it right below your navel. In this kind of a drape, what you will need to do is only 4 pleats. So just count and do that. So we've done 1, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Just add 2 pins and secure your pleats here. After doing that, just take this and you start making your pleats. I mean, this is how you make your pleats. See, you know how you've been practicing with me and I think you're a pro by now. So after doing this pleats, I've just made these pleats, and since it's organza, we know it's a little fluffy fabric. So to maintain it, what I've done is I've just pre-pleated it and I've just ironed it. Look at this. And I've ironed this using a hair straightener. So you can just use a hair straightener, put it into 180-degree temperature, and once you've made the pleat, just run your hair straightener in every single individual pleat. It will set so beautifully, exactly like the way mine is falling. You've done this, and rest this on your shoulder from this side. Don't worry if your pleats are this long, because that's what is to be done. After you've done this, take a pin and secure the entire pleats on your shoulders. Yeah. Now what you have to do is, this is like this. If you have a beautiful belt, what you can do is just take this here, spread this part here because it's got a beautiful embroidery. Since the skirt is flowy but doesn't have any embroidery, you can always hide it from front because the entire skirt is any which way is visible from the side and the back. So you can do this and add a belt and wear it like this. But I would prefer showing a little extra skirt from this side. So what I would suggest you is, so just take the corner part of your sari, and what you need to do is, behind you just take this and attach a pin here. I'm attaching this pin on top so that you all can see it properly where I'm putting a pin. So this is how you're going to put, and after doing that, just place this and cover it up with another pin like this. Like this. So everything is secured here, and you've got your pleats right in place like this. Your dcoat flow is fully visible. You've got a sari drape on this. So this is how you can use this flow dcoat in multiple ways. This can also be worn with a kurta. So let me run you through the entire ways you can wear this flow dcoat. You can wear it with a kurta. You can wear it with a crop top. You can wear it with a blouse and a dupatta, and you can wear it with a sari. So I think this is a must-have in your wardrobe. If you want to have one of such, you want to possess one of such dcoat, you can go to the website www.imstore.in. Please do follow us at the page I Am by Dolly Jain, because we keep uploading everything new, all your problems, all your solution to all your problems we'll be discussing out there. We'll be giving you all the solution in the page I Am by Dolly Jain. You can always message me, always DM me. I reply back to all your messages personally. So I think this is the best way you can have one product and use it in multiple ways. So I hope you really loved this, and I'm looking forward to hearing all your comments, all your feedbacks. Keep loving me, keep loving my drapes, and keep loving the beautiful new generation dcoat. Thank you so much.